How to reset Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll provide detailed instructions on how to reset Windows 11 without losing any of your data. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. If you're experiencing issues with Windows 11 and are considering a reset but do not want to lose your data, follow this step. First of all, navigate to the bottom of the Windows 11 and click on the Start button. Right-click on this Windows icon and click on Settings. You can also use the search function in order to type in settings and open the settings. After you open your settings, click on Update and Security option over here. Then after, click on Recovery option. Locate the option to reset this PC. Click on the Get Started button to reset this PC. A pop-up will appear with the two options of Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Since you want to reset Windows 11 without losing data, choose the first option to keep your personal files in your Windows. Click on it and wait for the system to prepare. You can then choose the reinstall Windows from your device or do a cloud download. Select your preferred method and proceed to the next step. The system will then prepare for the next stage and you will see a message indicating that resetting will change the settings back to their defaults. Keep personal files, reinstall Windows from this device, and remove all apps and programs. You can review the apps and programs that will be lost, but the important thing is that all your files will be kept. Click on to reset to start the process. So this was basically on how can you reset your Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.